Play Free Code Camp. Today we're going to be solving the Intermediate Algorithm Scripting Challenge, Make a Person. So we're going to fill in the object constructor with the following methods below. Get first name, get last name, get full name, get first name where we pass set first name where we pass in an argument for the new first name, set last name where we pass in an argument for the new last name, and set full name where we pass in a new argument for the first and last name. So we need to make sure that our argument accepts only one argument and it's a script, and we are only able to use the given methods above to interact with our object, so we can't directly set the variables like first name. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by declaring a variable called first and a variable called last, and then for those we're going to say first and last dot split, because we're going to expect it's a string with a space in the middle, and then for last we're going to return 1, and for first we're going to return 0. So this is going to take an incoming string like Bob Ross here, split it at the space, and first will become Bob, last will become Ross, and if it's not a string it just won't work, so we won't have the argument set. Takes care of that right there. So now for our get full name, which they've done for us, we're going to return first plus space plus last. So we're going to put it back together as Bob Ross. Now we're going to define our other methods. So we're going to start with this dot get first name is equal to a function, and we're going to just return first. Now we're going to do this dot get last name. We're going to have another function, and again it's just going to return that, so return last. Now we're going to define this dot set first name is equal to a function. New first is what it's going to take, and we're going to say first is equal to first, and then we're going to return first because they don't really say what we want us to do on these methods, but I like getting an argument back when I call a constructor like this, so it's a good habit to set. So now we're going to do the this dot set last name method. So we'll say this dot set last name is equal to a function, and we're going to say new last. And we're going to again say second, last is equal to new last. And I've also seen here that I need to change this to new first. So now we've updated our internal variable, and we're returning what we've set it to. So now we've just got one left to go. We're going to say this dot set full name is equal to a function, new name, and then we're going to just repeat what we did up here. So we're going to grab this and say first name is equal to new name, split again at the space, and then we're going to take the first element of our new array, and that's going to be the first name. Last name is going to be equal to, once again, new name dot split at the space. We're going to take the second argument, that's item 1 in the array. That'll be our new last name, and then we're going to return this dot get full name, just so we don't have to type that in again. And then we're going to run the tests. And we've passed. I gotta have more cowbells. Thanks for watching and have a great day.